Yes, welcome friends. Let us go for the new part of discussion of organic chemistry in naming, that is naming of aromatic compounds. Benzene ring and the substitutions are present over the benzene ring. Different varieties of functional groups are there. A single functional group and many functional groups. Then how to name the aromatic compounds? Have a glance. Let us have a discussion, that is naming of aromatic compounds. Yes, there are two important things eligible for the discussion related to the aromatic substitutions. The benzene ring, where the ring is present, that ring is considered as the nucleus. And the other portions which are present as substitutions over the ring are generally said to be the side chains. So therefore here in this system, if any group is there, this particular benzene or the derivatives of benzene, if I take the benzene nucleus is generally known as nucleus portion, and the groups present over the ring are generally said to be what? Side chains. Thus, we are having two varieties of systems while naming for easiness of understanding. One is nucleus substituted side chain. Nucleus is major. On that nucleus, side chain is present as a substitution. There is other varieties of molecules related to the aromatic compounds, whereas nucleus is present as a substitution over the side chain. Thus, nucleus substituted side chains are there and side chain substituted nucleus namings are there. We will go in detail related to the namings of the aromatic compounds with a glance. Thus here one thing should be very clear, that if nucleus is major, nucleus is important, nucleus is the prime, then in that case we can say it as nucleus which is having substitution as one of its side chain. Similarly, if side chain is the major, side chain is the prime, side chain is the deciding, then we can say nucleus is present as the substitution. Otherwise, side chain with substitution as nucleus, nucleus with substitution as side chains. Thus, here we are having two systems. Prime is nucleus, nucleus associated with substituted side chain, or side chain is prime, then it is having nucleus as its substitution. We will go for the naming of the things. Yes, while naming of aromatic compounds for a single group, if it is present as a substitution, all the positions present over the aromatic ring are same. All the positions present over the benzene ring are same. I can keep the group at any place, that is same. Hence, all positions remains equal to the group. If it is di substitution, with respect to one group present at one particular position, there are other 5 positions are there. These two left adjacent positions are same. These are known as ortho substitutions, and these two alternate positions are said to be left and right meta positions, and the opposite position is said to be the para position. Suppose if it is methyl and methyl, this is said to be ortho dimethyl. This is methyl and methyl, that is meta dimethyl, and these are said to be para dimethyl. Like this, naming is present for the aromatic compounds. Yes, naming of aromatic hydrocarbons, whereas this particular one is aromatic system having some substitutions. Here methyl group is present as the substitution, ethyl group, n-propyl group followed by isopropyl group, and some substitutions like methyl containing, that is 5 carbons containing propyl pentyl system is present as the substitution. Hence the naming of the compounds is, the name of this compound is benzene, whereas this compound is known as methyl benzene. It is not necessary to write the position. This is methyl benzene, whereas this compound is ethyl benzene, whereas this is 1-propyl benzene, and this one is 1, 2, 3. At second position, phenyl group is present as the substitution. Hence it is 2-phenyl propane. And whereas name of this compound as per the minimum least sum rule validation, this is 2-phenyl 3-methyl, so therefore this is 3-methyl 2-phenyl pentane. These are the names of the aromatic hydrocarbons. whereas this phenyl group is considered as one of the substituent over the alkane system. So therefore, as per that, to validate the least sum rule, it is having number 2, it is having number 3, 2 plus 3 will becomes equal to 5, that is 3 methyl, and second position having phenyl group as the substitution, followed by pentane. Total 5 carbons are there. Pentane is the name of the aromatic hydrocarbon. Yes, some of the di substitutions present over the benzene as normal alkyl groups, and here the positions over the benzene are adjacent positions, hence it is 1, 2 dimethyl benzene. And this is 1, 3 dimethyl benzene. And this is 1, 4 dimethyl benzene. Whereas if I go for this particular compound, this is 1, 2 and 3, 1, 3 diethyl benzene. Whereas this particular compound naming 1, 2, 3 and 4, 1, 4 di is of what here? 1, 2, 3, that is 2 propyl benzene. These are the names present for the di substitutions of simple alkyl groups present over the benzene system on behalf of their repetition with their corresponding positions. Position followed by repeated for twice, hence di of corresponding group followed by benzene. In that way, the IUPAC system of aromatic hydrocarbons begins or follows. And more than one cycles containing benzene systems are also present, whereas the normally occurring systems with 2 cycles, 3 cycles with linearity, 3 cycles with non-linearity are there, and this one is very common, that is known as naphthalene. Whereas the 3 linear containing carbon atoms is said to be anthracene, and this is phenanthracene. These are the names. Yes, the incomplete portions present on the aromatic portions, if they are present as the substituents, then by which name they can be known, similar to that of the alkyl groups. Then the different varieties of aryls are like this. Suppose if this benzene is present as a substituent to any of the chain, whereas this valence is incomplete. With this particular bond it is connected. This bond is said to be, or this group is said to be phenyl group. Whereas if benzene followed by another 1 carbon having 2 valencies with CH2 and other 1 valence is connected to the chain, and this particular portion as a group is said to be what? Benzyl group. So this is phenyl group, this is benzyl group. Whereas 2 valencies are connected, otherwise 2 groups are connected in such a way that this is one group, this is one group. This is said to be, if this is phenyl, this is benzyl, this is known as benzol, and whereas carbon with 3 valencies are connected to any of the groups, then those of all are said to be what? Benzo. Suppose if it is chlorine, then that is said to be chlorobenzene, whereas now here it is chlorine, that is said to be benzyl chloride. Here 2 chlorines are there, that is benzol dichloride. Here it is having 3 chlorines, that is benzo trichloride is the name. Thus phenyl is there, benzyl is there, similarly benzol is there, and benzo are there. These of all are the different tribal names given for the incomplete valencies consisting of aromatic and the aromatic substitutions like phenyl. Benzene ring is directly connected, benzene followed by CH2 with 1 valence if it is connected, that is said to be benzyl. These are 2 valencies, 2 may be connected to the same groups or the different groups, benzol chloro and bromide, benzol chloride and bromide, or benzol dichloride. Similarly 3 may be of same or different on behalf of their similarity, tri, 2 are same, di and mono, all are different varieties of benzo, fluoride, chloride, bromide. Thus this is phenyl, benzyl, benzol as well as the benzo. Suppose we go for the example of benzo. Yes, here C is there. The C is connected to 3 chlorines. Then it is known as benzo trichloride. Benzo trichloride is the name. Benzo trichloride. Whereas here 2 chlorines are there. Benzyl dichloride. Benzyl dichloride. This is the name of the compounds. Similarly, other important variety of the reoccurring aromatic variety of system is toluene related substitutions. We know toluene, is methyl benzene is known as toluene, whereas if this is having incomplete valency with respect to this position as being it is ortho, then it is known as orthotoluene. Suppose if this position is present at meta, this is methyl followed by, here group is connected, this is said to be metatoluene. Similarly, if this group is present at para position, some group is connected, then that is said to be paratoluene, etc. Now we will discuss at once the different varieties of substitutions present over the aromatic system, like halogen as the group, similarly hydroxy group OH as the group, ethers oxygen containing aromatic substitutions, followed by carbonyls like aldehyde functional group as well as the keto functional group, and the nitro NO2 group, and amines primary, secondary, tertiary, all varieties of amines and their naming, acid and acid derivatives, nothing but acid halides, amides and anhydrides, etc., and the sulfonic acid SO3H. If these groups are present along with the aromatic system, then whether it is prime nucleus followed by substitution as side chain, then how the naming is present, and when it is considered as prime as side chain followed by nucleus part as a substituent over it, and how to name it. These things by the important varieties of reoccurring functional groups like halogen to sulfonic acid individually now we will discuss. Now let us go for the halogen. If halogen is present on the benzene, side chain followed by halogen present on the benzene, then which is considered as the main part, which is considered as the substitution, side chain as the substitution or the nucleus as the substitution, and how to name the compounds. Let us have a discussion for the halogen compounds first. Yes, halogens present as the substitution over the benzene system. If direct halogen atom is present as a substitution, then nucleus is considered as the prime and the halogen atom is considered as the substitution over the nucleus. So therefore this is chlorobenzene, whereas benzene is major. Chlorobenzene. And here positions will remain same, 1 and 3, 1, 3 dichloro. These are present as substitutions, followed by it is benzene system. As for IUPAC system, this is chloro and the methyl, in that halogen will get higher priority. So therefore here that is 3-methyl chlorobenzene. These are the names. In this case what happens? Nucleus will become prime and the substituted halogen, directly connected halogen to the carbon atoms present on the benzene as nucleus are becoming substituents. Hence we are ending with benzene, benzene, benzene. Benzene is having substitution. What is the substitution here? Chloro. Here what is the substitution? So that for 1 and 3 positions, 2 chlorines are there, 1, 3 dichloro. Here at third position methyl is there and it is a benzene consisting of chloro as the group. Chlorobenzene having methyl as substitution. Like this, nucleus is prime. Yes, let us go for the next case where chlorine is not directly connected to the aromatic part. There is another carbon atoms in between the chlorine and the nucleus portion, that is benzene carbon atoms. Hence in this case, this particular chlorine connected side chain is considered as the major prime and the benzene nucleus is considered as the substitution. So therefore name of the compound is 1-phenyl, otherwise phenyl chloromethane. Whereas this is phenyl dichloromethane. And this is phenyl trichloromethane. phenyl as a substitution. Whereas in this compound, here highest importance will be given for the halogen compared to the aromatic system. Hence the name of the compound is 3-phenyl 1-chloropropane. Whereas here double bond is there, chlorine is there, phenyl is there. To validate the least sum rule, to give higher importance to the double bond, numbering is started from here. So therefore 1-phenyl 3-chloro 1-propene, that is 1-phenyl 3-chloro prop 1-ene. This is the name given for the compound. In these cases, what happens is, whatever the side chain is there, that is prime. Whatever the nucleus part is there, that is considered as the substitution, because halogen is not directly connected with the benzene system. Yes, here there are some important hydroxy compounds which are connected to the benzene ring system, otherwise the aromatic part directly. Hence nucleus part is the prime, and these substitutions are considered as the side chains. Hence the name of the compound is phenol. Already we made the discussion once again. Whereas this is considered as second position methyl is there, so therefore this name is 2-methyl phenol. Whereas name of this compound is, this is 1, this is 2 and this is 3, hence it is 3-methyl phenol. Whereas this is 4-methyl phenol, 1, 2, 3 followed by 4, that is 4-methyl phenol. And here this compound is once again OH is having highest priority, hence it is 3-nitrophenol. And here 1-naphthol, this is 2-naphthol, and here 1, 2, 3 continuously, 1, 2, 3 trihydroxyphenol, trihydroxybenzene. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and 6. 2, 4, 6. Trinitrophenol. These are the names of the compounds. Once again, for your easiness of understanding, phenol group is, that is OH group is directly connected to the ring system, that is phenol, and here it is naphthol. As for the position, this is 1, this is 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10, hence 1-naphthol, 2-naphthol, phenol. If any alkyl groups are there, alkyls are getting lesser importance, so therefore that is from the OH as 1, if I go on giving the numbering, that is 2-methyl, 3-methyl, 4-methyl, at the 3 position nitro group, 3-nitro. Similarly here 1, 2, 3 trihydroxy benzene system, 2, 4, 6 trinitro followed by phenol is the name of the compound. Yes, the other portion, whereas side chain is considered as more important, more prime compared to the nucleus portion, because that OH functional group is not connected directly with the carbons present on the benzene ring system. Hence it is phenyl methanol. And here this name of the compound is 1, 2. So therefore 2-phenyl, second position phenyl is there, 2-phenyl ethan 1-ol, whereas it is getting highest importance 1, 2, 3 3-phenyl prop 2-ene 1-ol. Prop 2-ene 1-ol is the name of the compound. Thus side chain is considered as more prime compared to the aromatic part of the ring system. Thus the names of the compounds are phenyl methanol, 2-phenyl ethan 1-ol, 3-phenyl prop 2-ene 1-ol. Yes, these are all are ethers. Ethers are nothing but oxygen in the mid connected with the two carbon atoms, two alkyl groups or the aryl groups are said to be the ethers. Here aromatic related compounds, alkoxyalkane is the name. So therefore here two things are not present. This is alkyl part, alkoxy followed by alkane. The minimum carbons containing alkyl portion along with the oxygen is considered as alkoxy, followed by remaining as alkane. Whereas this substitution, if I feel it as alkoxy, it is replacement of hydrogen, hence this is alkane. Hence the name of the compound is methoxybenzene. And name of the compound is ethoxybenzene. And this is phenoxybenzene. Otherwise you can say it as diphenyl ether. And this is methyl phenyl ether. This is ethyl phenyl ether. Yes, next we are discussing about the carbonyl compounds, whereas the C double bond O, either it is connected with H or the R, that is directly connected to the benzene ring system. Hence this one is said to be benzaldehyde. Whereas this is known as acetophenone. And this is known as benzophenone. This is 2-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Benzaldehyde is also known as benzene carbaldehyde. Benzene carbaldehyde. Let us go for the other examples where carbonyl part is present in the side chain is considered as the prime compared to the aromatic system. Now here it is consisting of 4 carbon atoms in the side chain, but here aldehyde group is not connected to the benzene system, hence it is 4-phenyl butanol. Whereas this particular compound is 3-phenyl butanol, because at third position phenyl group is present. And this is 5-phenyl pent 4-ene 2-one. This is the name of the compound. So here it is consisting of keto functional group that is present at the second with the suffix -one, followed by having substitution at the fifth position, that is phenyl, 5-phenyl, followed by fourth position it is having double bond, so therefore 4-ene 2-one, 5-phenyl pent 4-ene 5. Pent 4-ene 2-one is the name of the compound. Yes, now we are discussing the nitro compound. Yes, nitro group can be directly connected to the aromatic part, that is nucleus as the prime, or aromatic part and the nitro group is connected with through some alkyl portion, side chain may become prime. Here two varieties of examples are there. The first compound is said to be nitrobenzene, whereas this is 1 and 3 positions continuously, 1, 3 dinitrobenzene. And the compound name here is, this is the prime one, so therefore 3-phenyl but 1-nitrobutane. Three-phenyl 1-nitrobutane is the name of the compound. Here those two varieties of amines here I am covering with the two examples present on the board. Nitrogen is directly connected to the aromatic, nucleus is the prime, hence it is benzamine. Whereas here aliphatic portion is present in between them, hence side chain is the prime. In this case this is benzamine, but that is N-ethyl and N-methyl benzamine. So therefore the name is N-ethyl, N-methyl, this portion is completed, followed by benzamine. Look at yesterday's classes how to name the amine. Similarly here, this is first carbon, this is on the first carbon only this is present, that is 1 phenyl, 1 phenyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl, methanamine. This is the name of the compound. 1 phenyl, first carbon is consisting phenyl as the substitution, followed by, here it is having on the nitrogen ethyl as well as the methyl as the substitutions. Hence the name of the compound is 1 phenyl, N-ethyl, N-methyl, methanamine is the name. Here acid related discussion. Acid group is directly connected to the aromatic part. Aromatic is nucleus part. Nucleus is prime in this first case and the side chain is prime in the second case. This is said to be benzyamine. Whereas suppose if it is having methyl group is here. So therefore this will becomes first position, second position, third position, fourth position, fifth and sixth position, 2-methyl benzyamine. 2-methyl benzyamine. Whereas here this is name of the compound is after naming this is consisting of 4 carbon atoms in which at second and the third positions substitutions are there. Hence it is 2-methyl, 3-phenyl, butanoic acid. This is benzoic acid. Benzoic acid, not benzyamine, that is benzoic acid. Yes, the name of the first compound which is an ester, a derivative of the acid, one of the derivative of acid is ester. Here it is alkyl alkanoate, that is methyl followed by alkanoate, and this is 2-methyl benzoate. Whereas this particular compound is methyl, this portion is over. Now the remaining portion, while naming as per the nomenclature of the lengthiest chain is concerned, this is 2-methyl, 3-phenyl, butanoate. This is the name of the compound. The last one of this discussion, that is sulfonic acid. If it is present along with the aromatic part, nucleus is considered as the prime. Hence it is 4-methyl benzene sulfonic acid. Why it is 4? Because it is 1. This is 2. This is 3 and this is 4. 4-methyl benzene sulfonic acid. Thus naming of the substitutions present over aromatic portion as substituents, as functional groups. Either they may be directly connected or with the alkyl part as a link between the functional group and the aromatic portion. Nucleus as the prime and the side chain as the prime, naming is present in this manner.